In order to turn on subtitles on Disney Plus, you need to begin by playing a movie or a show. Then access the settings menu during the playback. This is usually found by clicking on the dialog box or the keyboard icon located in the top corner of your web browser or mobile devices. And in the bottom right, you will see the TVs, and in the settings you can go to Subtitles tab, pick the language you want, and to change how the subtitles look, select Closed Caption Settings. Go ahead, close the menu or press the back button to save. Subtitles will now be displayed. And to change the subtitle appearance, you can go ahead, access your settings, then go to Closed Caption Settings or the settings icon within the subtitle menu and adjust the font size, color, background to your liking. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.